Hi, I'm dear friends. This is Filmora. And let's say we have an image. Image is our background, but it's an image. And it's still image. And let's see how can we make in Filmora the image to move. For example, we have a video. Oh, let me drag and drop it and mute it. Okay, so this is a bird. It's flying. But unfortunately, it flies different directions. So what I will do, I will choose the part when it's flying the same direction, like starting here and until here, for example. Yeah, no turns. And we'll cut the parts before, ripple delete, and after. And I will remove the green screen background. I clicked on this video. I'm going to Tools, choosing Video and Chroma key. You see it's removed, but I have to fix a little bit the properties. Yeah, it will be like this. Something like that. And I will do it smaller. The very small bird. And it will fly from the left side of our picture to the right side of our picture. Right now it's 5 seconds. I will do it, for example, 25 seconds long. And I will copy my flying bird video and paste it 4 times, for example, and move it. Right now they're together. Let's make the duration of both parts with the bird and with background the same long, and let us see now. So what I have to do, I'm choosing my image, background image, do right click on it, and on the list here finding crop and zoom, and here I'm choosing pan and zoom, and we can see the selections of start area and end area. Right now start is green is chosen. If it will be not like this, I will do left click to have the start rectangle green, and we'll put it like here. Yeah. Then I'm clicking on the end rectangle and moving it to the very end, like here, for example, like that. This will be the way of flying of our bird. Let's click apply, and now let's see what will it be. Wait a second. Our bird, I have to move it something like here, for example, and the same with other 4 birds. I had to do it before copying and paste. I didn't notice that the bird is on the so left position. Okay, let's see now. So bird is flying and the ground is moving. I think it's interesting. Okay, thank you. Bye.